Hello friends! Welcome to my YouTube channel, and here is another Apple AirTag unboxing. Here is another chance to win this AirTag from HowToiSolve's AirTag giveaway. We have a total of 4 AirTags in this box with discounts. Otherwise, you can order 1 or 2 AirTags as well. Let's see the packaging box and some basic ideas about how it looks. Here's small green unlock sticker. Pull up this seal and remove this secure lock from the box. This box is very compact with 4 AirTag places amazingly, and a few necessary documents: safety, regulatory and warranty summary. This document is not so important, so just I am ignoring this. Now, this is wallet type packaging, very nice, and it's feel good while you open it. Here's primary information: update your iPhone to latest iOS, and iPad with latest iPadOS version. And Bluetooth must be turned on your device. And the other side, I explained how to set up with iPhone. Also here's given the ideal distance between your iPhone or iPad to AirTag. It should be 2 inches, 5 centimeters. Let's check AirTag hands-on. While this is very light and small in size. Also, engraved as a by order with HIS name. Really great one. This tag, we can put into our wallet and backpack easily, and hanging with item using AirTag case. Before setup, pull up the plastic tab from the AirTag, and at the same time, you will listen to an excellent alert sound from the AirTag. That notifies your AirTag is ready to set up. Now, let's me check how my iPhone is detecting like AirPods. If you don't know, then this AirTag is easy to read on any NFC compatible mobile, either iOS and Android. As we discussed, keep your iOS update, and Bluetooth is turned on. Now as I unlock my iPhone, screen showing connect setup pop-up, that's really easy. Now on AirTag you can see basic information and AirTag name on steel cap, so we can understand upcoming version of AirTag that's nice though by Apple. The information is designed by Apple in California, assembled in chain, Bluetooth LE low energy technology, ultra wideband with Apple logo on center. Let's show all engraved 4 AirTags that's for giveaway, and it's free by simply connect on out YouTube channel. Let's see price for first generation Apple AirTag. You can buy this one AirTag in $29.99 and 4 AirTags pack bundle in just $99.99. But it's free for you. Complete these 3 steps to participate in this giveaway. First is like this video, then second is comment on this video, where you will use this AirTag with your item. And the third is subscribe this channel. Hope you are getting what is inside the AirTag packaging box in first look. Also pick up the chance to win.